This is the mistake that you are making all the time and you fail to express confidence at your workplace. What is it? Let's see. I'm just checking in. I would like to follow up on the status of XYZ project or task. Can you clarify what you mean? Could you please provide further clarification on this specific topic? I haven't heard back from you yet. I wanted to check in to see if you had any updates regarding my previous mail. Now, changing your sentences little bit without adding too many fancy vocabs can help you sound confident as well as familiar with the topics. To know more regarding corporate communication tips, simply follow Super Simple Talks, and yes, you can also enroll in our upcoming masterclass.